how to buy MANSORY token. So this token came under the symbol of MNSRY. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token, this is the X account, and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's created just 3 hours ago, and it's a very new token, and it's increased by 27,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's made your investment in a safe place. This token, as you can see, it's trending number 26 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, first copy the token address from here, open your fund to wallet, or after that, now click on swap. Make sure that you have a Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to relax to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see here, turn it off, and now you can switch the slip pouch from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip pouch. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MANSORY token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.